Hey there, do you know the most underrated mobile of 2023? What if I say it's Redmi Note 12? Fine, let me tell you why. Just keep watching the full video. Redmi Note 12 has almost got all the features that the users demands for. Let me explain. It's so cool with its 6.7-inch display. Gives fancy look to the mobile and visual friendly to watch videos in the video applications like YouTube and Instagram. When it comes to storage and other things, it's 4GB of RAM and 64GB of memory, and I feel which is more than suffice for an average smartphone user. The battery is also really good with its 5000 mAh capacity, which is definitely not less than the other brands. The camera quality of the Redmi has definitely impressed its users. It has got a 50 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. The other features like the fast charging capacity and the warranty card are some of the add-on support to the users. If you want to get yourself the Redmi Note 12, consider buying it in Ovantica to get the best renewed mobiles in the market. Do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends, and follow us for more such deals and updates.